Thanksgiving with meaning. The Lord is close to those whose hearts are breaking, He rescues those who are humbly sorry for their sins. Psalm chapter 34 verse 18. It is the custom of many Christians to bow their heads in public places and give thanks for the food that has been placed before them. I have had scores of waiters and waitresses tell me that when we bowed our heads, it was the first time they had ever seen that happen in their restaurant. Millions never pause to give a word of thanks to God for the food provided. Few homes have a moment of thanksgiving at the beginning of the meal or at any other time of the day. Even at Thanksgiving time, only a minority will pause and give thanks to God. Thanksgiving is recognition of a debt that cannot be paid. We express thanks, whether or not we are able otherwise to reimburse the giver. When thanksgiving is filled with true meaning and is not just the formality of a polite thank you, it is the recognition of dependence. Prayer for the day. Lord Jesus, I know that apart from you I can do nothing of lasting value. Help me to come to the end of self and allow you to control the reins of my life.